Yo bro, in this video I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars online. How your mates 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 years old, 22, 23, 24 years old make money online. How your mates, how your colleagues makes money. I'll show you, I'll reveal it to you. Enough is enough, you need to know. You stay to the end of this video, I'll give you cheat code to maximize your results. To know what people don't know. You understand what I mean? I'm just telling you now because I love you guys. Love you, bro. If you're the one listening, I don't want a crowd. I just want one person. Even it's one person that listens to me in my videos. I really love it. One person that listens to the videos and take action. I prefer one person and having millions of billions of views. Just one person. Focus on this video. Take action. I want to change lives. You understand what I mean? So I just like people action takers. So that is it. Just imagine yourself making thousands of dollars online every month. You don't have to work again. You are free. You become the most dangerous person in this planet. You will become the most dangerous person in this planet because you have time to do anything you want. You'll be respected. You don't need to make billions of dollars every month. Just maybe make 1K, 2K, and you're very dangerous because you have time to take care of your family. Let's get to the video. There's this channel. It's called Most Amazing Top 10. They do top 10 videos, top 10 cuties, top 10 slaps, top 10 fights, top 10 TV, top 10 different top 10, bro. Different type of top 10. They do it. Top 10 record Michael Jackson did, for example. Top 10 terrifying places hidden before evil. Hidden pure evil. So they do this kind of videos, bro. They do this kind of videos. They post it. They get views, thousands of views, millions of views, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars every single year. The price of fame, celebrities who were scary real cuts. Yeah. If you click their video, you see that they are making money through the ad most of the time.
Freenow's fastest.
This is a Uber advert. They're making money from this. You see, this is an example. They can make money from anything. They can monetize it in different ways. I've always told you guys the ways. So through clothing brand, through merchandise, through brandies, many ways, many ways to get the bread, get the cash. You understand me? You know what I mean? So that's it. Then if you're very curious, don't know how much they can make, how much, see, just copy here, click here, paste it. You see, they make at least 710K every month, 10,000 euros, dollars every month, just by posting crazy things. You cannot do these videos. You can go to Upwork, go there, hire people to do videos for you, and all. Click on here. They will explain everything. No, there will be people. You're right. Video editor. Go to the script writer. Go to the voiceover artist. Video animation to anything. So you depend this money. You just need to have the money. Once you have the money, you're good to go. Bro, go to the link in my description if you really want this year to be a year. If you're really serious. I don't need much people, just one person. So I don't want most people. But can be financially free. So me, I'm out. You one person, I'll be happy. But I don't like crowd. I like, even if it's out of billions, one person. I know that one person is that quality person that wants to change his life. As for me, I'm out.